friends, welcome to Goemkarponn. We are here on one of Goa's biggest project, the Zuari Bridge. This is a huge bridge as you can see, and it is going to have a huge impact on Goa's transportation and mobility. As far as the bridge is concerned, it's almost ready and it's waiting for the government's nod for inauguration. As per DBL, the bridge would be completed somewhere around a month end, and then they await the government's nod for inauguration. To talk about all this, we have with us the deputy project manager of DBL, Mr. Patil. Welcome, sir. Can you just tell us about the bridge and when it will be completed and when Goans will get to come on this bridge?
Yes, actually this is package 2. It is 1.089 kilometer total package. In that it is 640 meter is the cable stay part. So you can see the cables already, BC laying and all things are completed. So this month of November end we will complete all the works, miscellaneous all the works including load testing.
As you said that you are going to complete and it is going to be the government which is going to decide. Now tell us about this bridge. Zari, if you can show us this bridge, the second one. When are you expecting that second part of the bridge to be done?
Yes, that LHS bridge will complete in next year. It will took around 6 to 7 months for that, and we will start in next year.
Okay. So what are the works actually remaining over here?
Miscellaneous work like crash barrier and load testing is pending. Road marking is only pending. So these are the some miscellaneous works only pending. So almost till November end we will complete all the works.
As you told us, the hot mix carpet has already been laid.
Yeah.
See, Goa has seen a bridge called Atal Setu, and there has been a complaint about this bridge, that there are frequent potholes. Can you tell us what precautions has DBL taken to see that this thing doesn't happen here?
Yeah, we have took a lot of precautions over here. We use as a PMB 40, that polymer modified bitumen, which is we are laying over on deck. So it is water. It's very dense. Its water resistance power is higher than normal bitumen, and it's having elastic properties also. To ride for the vehicle riding is very smooth for them.
Okay, sir. One, you told me about what the precautions you have taken. In case such thing happen, what is the mitigation?
We took all the precautions, so I hope that will not happen over here.
As after the bridge starts, as we all know that only 4 lanes, this is a 4-lane bridge where we are standing right now. Only the 4 lanes will be started. So how are you going to move the traffic? Is the entire traffic from Zuari Bridge going to come here, or some part will?
It is.
Or it will be in phases.
It is in phases also, and we took the, even though our meetings with the government officials and RTO, traffic department also, they have suggested us. We took we have completed the safety audit also for how to smooth traffic, for the smooth traffic going on. So both traffic will come on the bridge.
Yeah.
Like from Madgaon to Panji and Panji to Madgaon.
Yeah, so, as we have come to know that there will be no ramp for Kortani as of now.
Yeah.
So basically the airport people going to the airport will have to take the old bridge. The people going to the airport will have to take, in case somebody misses and comes on this bridge, the new bridge, they can always go to the Toyota showroom and take a ride from Verna, as you said. So that is going to be the plan.
Actually, ramp is available, but because of LHS bridge is not ready, so it is very difficult to take a curve over there. Is a S curve is there, so it is very difficult to move the vehicle, take a turn. That's why it is very difficult to go downside of Kortalim. So if someone coming from Panji and he wants to go to Kortalim, then it is very difficult to that only. Otherwise, there is no issue.
Sir, as we took a round, we just saw that we reached about in 6 to 7 minutes at the normal speed of 60-65. The 70 is the highest speed on the maximum speed which a person can go or a car go. So it takes about 6 to 7 minutes to reach there. And with the traffic, how do you think is the bridge going to manage that kind of a traffic? What we see right now, people have to wait for 2-3 hours to reach from Panjim to Margam. So how is going to be the traffic flow?
Traffic flow will be very smooth because in old Zuari Bridge you can see the only 2 lane is there. Here for only 1 lane it is 2+2. So there is no issue.
Plus you are going to get that
after completion of LHS, then you once will get the 4+4 lanes. So there is no issue in future also for traffic.
Thank you, Mr. Patil, for your wonderful time, and you gave us all that knowledge about how the traffic is going to be and when the bridge is going to start and status of completion of the works. Thank you very much, and wish you all the best.
Thank you.